All right, a lot of what we do in Specialist is going to be understanding what the question is asking us to do. And once we understand that, it makes things a little bit easier. It says determine the position vector locating point B, 3, -3, from point A, which is at 2, 5. All right, so we've got point B at 3, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Over here will be point B. And point A is 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2, 5. Here is point A. Okay, and point B from point A, okay, means we're actually looking for A, B, okay, and each of these is going to be a position vector. Position vector is always going to be from your 0, okay. So let's see here. If we go from 0 to A, we're actually looking as, we'll call that one A, and that means that A is just going to be 2I plus 5j. Does that make sense? We're moving 2 in the I direction, 5 in the j direction. Let's call this one B. And B is going to be 3 in the I direction minus 3 in the j direction. Excuse me, minus 3j. Now, to get from A to B, let's have a look. We know, this thing is not getting me to do that. From A to B means that I'm going to need to be head to tail, right? And that means I'm going to have to change the direction of A. So I'm actually going to have minus A plus B. Okay, so my vector AB is going to be minus A plus B. So that means I'm going to have to say minus 2I plus 5j plus 3I minus 3j. All right, and I'm going to expand that. So I have minus 2I plus 3I. I'll collect all my i's together. Minus 5j minus 3j. And that is positive I minus 8j. Okay, and that kind of makes sense because if I took this vector over here, AB, and shifted it so that its start was put at the origin, that would definitely be at around about positive 1I and minus 8j.